right, so just to preface this, for the purposes of this webinar, the Vault server and the Vault certificates have already been created beforehand. So most of the steps shown today will be taking place within the StrongDM admin UI. So for the first step here, we'll be creating the secret store under the network tab, secret stores. We'll add a new secret store. We'll name this demo vault, and we'll be using the TLS certificate method for this demo. And if you need to see the token-based authentication steps as well, we have that in our documentation. So let me grab the demo vault address real quick. And for the certificate path and private key, these will be generated by the Vault server itself, and you will be placing these on your relay. And you can see I have both of them placed here on one of my EC2 instances. So we'll just be using those paths. And the CA certificate path and namespace is optional. We won't be using that today. And create. We can see the demo vault has been set up and it's connected successfully to one of my EC2 instances and one of my local relays as well. So something to mention regarding the certificates, StrongDM does not auto-renew the tokens and certifications right now. This will still need to be done manually by you. It is on the roadmap though, so in the near future. Let's start with one resource here. We'll create a Microsoft SQL Server type. And here we'll choose our new secret store we just created. Now for the username and password path, jump over to the Vault dashboard real quick. You can see I created a SDM secrets engine that contains my 2 demo secrets. So we'll use the Microsoft SQL Server, and you can see it has a couple key value pairs, and these are holding the credentials. Our path will be right here, SDM/demo_MSSQL. So we'll type that in here. Question mark key equals username for the first one. Copy that over and password. Then create. Oh, sorry, just kidding. Host name. And create. We'll just go in here and force a health check real quick so we can connect right away. You can see it has connected to my local relay. And then if we refresh the page, it's up and running now, connected to the Vault secret store. And for the second resource, same process, we'll be doing a Postgres resource type. Let me grab the host name, port, and then I have an example database and our vault. And same process as before, except we'll be using the secret for Postgres. And create. Reload the page again. Force health check. You can see it's connected to my EC2 instance. And they're both live. So that should be it. Just a quick demo of how you can take advantage of the Vault secret store integration within StrongDM.